Welcome to our roundup of the best home gym equipment. Whether you're a fitness beginner, a seasoned athlete, or building your ultimate workout space, we've handpicked top gear that delivers outstanding performance, durability, and versatile features. We'll break down each piece's key specs, like build quality, functionality, space efficiency, ergonomics, and added benefits, to help you find the perfect fit for your home setup. Don't forget to check the description box below for the best deals. Let's jump in and find the ultimate home gym equipment for you. The first on the list is the GMWD chest press machine. The GMWD chest press machine is a smart and space-saving solution for anyone serious about building upper body strength at home. Designed with 14-gauge steel tubing, it supports up to 1,050 pounds of combined load, with 200 pounds per arm and 200 pounds per weight holder. It also features a detachable sleeve for compatibility with both 1-inch and 2 inches plates. The machine's standout feature is its independent converging arms, each with 11 adjustable positions, ensuring personalized and balanced muscle development. Perfect for compact spaces, the foldable bench saves over 50% of space, making it ideal for small home gyms. It supports flat, incline, and upright positions, allowing users to perform incline chest press, shoulder press, sit-ups, and flat bench press. The high-quality bearing system ensures smooth, fluid motion throughout the workout, and anti-slip foot bases provide extra stability. The adjustable leg attachment adds even more workout variety. However, some taller users have noted that in the incline position, their heads may hang slightly off the bench, making it less ideal for extended sets. Overall, the GMWD chest press machine is a durable, versatile, and compact upper body trainer that fits both beginners and experienced lifters looking to maximize performance in limited space. At number 2, we have the Yes4 All Lat Pulldown machine. The Yes4 All Lat Pulldown machine brings the power of gym-quality upper body workouts to your home, combining strength, convenience, and versatility. Built from solid steel and designed with high functionality in mind, it offers full-body training options with its high and low pulley stations. It includes 3 durable pulley cables, a lat bar, and barbell clamps, giving users flexibility in movement and exercise variety. The machine is ideal for strength training, enabling key movements like scapulae rotation, shoulder extension, and lat engagement. This machine delivers a comfortable experience thanks to its adjustable seat and knee support, each with 4 height levels. Whether performing seated rows, bicep curls, tricep extensions, or standing pull-downs, users remain stable and supported. The anti-slip footboard ensures balance during intense rowing sessions, while the dual-layered seat pad withstands repeated stress without compromising comfort. With a compact footprint and a 500-pound weight capacity, it's built for durability and intensity. Overall, the Yes4 All Lat Pull-Down machine is an exceptional choice for those serious about sculpting their upper body. With its heavy-duty build, adjustability, and full-body versatility, it's an excellent investment for building strength, endurance, and muscle definition at home. At number 3, we have the Michelo Folding Squat Rack. The Michelo Folding Squat Rack is a revolutionary space-saving gym solution for fitness enthusiasts with limited room. Designed to fold down to just 3 square feet and expand to only 9.5 square feet, this wall-mounted rack is perfect for garages, basements, or small home gyms. Despite its compact design, it doesn't compromise on versatility. It combines a power rack, cable crossover machine, lat pull-down, and pull-up bar into one efficient setup. With 5 adjustable function modes, users can switch between folded, semi-open, and full training configurations to fit their specific workout needs. Crafted from 14-gauge steel and reinforced with screw-in wall mounts and adjustable feet, the Michelo rack supports up to 1,000 pounds of weight. The independent dual pulley system features a 1-to-1 pulley ratio, allowing supersets or co-training without needing excessive weight stacks. The adjustable swivel base also ensures smooth movement and adaptability on uneven floors. Plus, it offers 15 pulley height levels, a detachable pull-up bar, and premium J-hooks, supporting over 80 full-body exercises, from squats to cable kickbacks. However, users should note that additional wall mounting is required during installation, which may take extra effort. Overall, the Michelo Folding Squat Rack is a robust, feature-rich system that brings gym-level performance into the comfort of your home, ideal for serious lifters and functional trainers alike. At number 4, we have the Dumbbell Adjustable Dumbbell Set. The Dumbbell Adjustable Dumbbell Set is a space-saving powerhouse designed for modern home gyms. With its sleek ash color and premium materials like powder-coated iron cast plates and anodized aluminum handles, it offers both style and durability. This model allows users to adjust weights from 5 to 80 pounds in swift 5-pound increments, perfect for progressing strength workouts. The standout twist lock system makes changing weights incredibly fast and simple. Just turn the handle, lift the dumbbell from its cradle, and you're ready to go. Each new bell replaces up to 16 individual dumbbells, saving space and streamlining workouts. The knurled handles provide a secure, comfortable grip for various exercises from curls and presses to lunges and deadlifts. Its high-quality ABS and nylon polyamide components ensure smooth and quiet transitions, adding to the premium workout experience. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, this dumbbell set adapts easily to any fitness level or routine. Overall, the new Bell adjustable dumbbell set is a smart investment for anyone looking to bring professional-level equipment into their home. It combines efficiency, versatility, and quality into one powerful fitness tool, making strength training easier, faster, and more enjoyable than ever. Coming up next, we have the Dripex leg press machine. The Dripex leg press machine is a highly functional 2-in-1 home gym unit designed for efficient lower body training. Combining a leg press and hack squat in a compact 45-degree angled frame, it targets quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves in one setup. Users can easily switch between exercises by adjusting the backrest and foot plate, making it perfect for dynamic leg day routines. With a max plate loading of 1,200 pounds and 4 weight plate storage holders, it offers stability and organization for your workouts. This upgraded machine features 5 adjustable angles on the bottom foot plate for custom hack squat comfort. The build is sturdy thanks to high-strength steel construction and professional-grade foam padding on the seat and backrest. Safety is a top priority too, with dual safety features including locking handles, 4-position safety rails, and a sled limit stop for added peace of mind. It also includes handles and wheels, allowing users to move the unit easily when space saving is needed. However, serious powerlifters or advanced bodybuilders may find it limiting for ultra-heavy lifting. Overall, the Dripex leg press machine is an excellent space-efficient choice for most home gym users seeking a safe, comfortable, and versatile lower body workout machine. The last one on our list is the Michelo Home Gym Workout Station. The Michelo Home Gym Workout Station is a powerhouse of versatility and strength designed to deliver full-body training from the comfort of home. With over 90-plus possible exercises, it combines functions like pec fly, lat pull-down, chest press, low row, preacher curl, leg press, and more. The 150 pounds weight stack, adjustable in 12 pounds increments, makes switching between resistance levels quick and seamless, ideal for supersets, drop sets, and progressive overload. Constructed from 14-gauge steel, this machine offers excellent durability and stability. A protective steel sheet encloses the weight stack for added safety. It includes a high, mid-low pulley system, preacher curl pad, and leg extension press accessories. The Adaptive Fit seat system features memory foam padding, 15 degrees recline, and breathable mesh for comfort during intense training. Multiple attachment options like D-handles, tricep rope, and lat bar are included, adding further exercise variety. The mid-pulley system especially enhances workouts by targeting the core, shoulders, and arms with precision. Overall, the Michelo Home Gym is a premium, space-efficient solution for anyone looking to replicate a commercial gym experience at home. With its professional-grade design, intuitive adjustability, and wide range of features, it is a top-tier choice for all fitness levels. You got it. So that's it for the best home gym equipment on the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.